What up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Man. I'm back with another video. Hey, see the title, see the thumbnail? Let's get to it, man. Dodge Durango detail just came out from the car wash. Yes, I run through a car wash, man. And this is what I do. This is what I like to do, especially on factory painted cars. I don't care about no light scratches and stuff like that. But we're gonna show you how we're gonna get that out today. You know what I'm saying? So hit that like, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. Come on, y'all. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit the like button, man. I'm gonna give y'all some good insight and some detailed stuff. I'm gonna show you what I did today. All right, man. So we got the 392 Dodge Durango. Yeah, all detailed up. All detailed up. And I mean detailed, man. Got it all. Got all between the cracks, man. You know, got the wheels looking real juicy. Tires looking real wet. Detailed it all real good. You know what I'm saying? Look, you can also, man, look at it. Factory paint job, man. Have not been buffed in over a year. You can still have a clean car, clean factory paint job without buffing it, man. Look at the reflection, man. Look at the reflection. And we go through car washes, man. Go through car washes. Look at the reflection, man. You just gotta know what products to use, man. Gotta know which products to use. But look how wet. Mother wet. Whew. Yeah, man. Detail this boy up. Let me show y'all what I was using though, man, to get this job done right now. But right here, first, speed shine, man. I was getting down with this first, man. As soon as I come out the car wash, you know, you get air dry, bring it back to the crib, bam, start wiping down, using this to wipe, go back over it, get all the watermarks off. Also, you can use this as well. It was sunny a little bit earlier, so I didn't want to use this. This ain't good for the sun. Detailer also, chemical guys. You know what I'm saying? So after I did all of that, went back over with the quick wax, man. This is for us lazy people, man. Well, I'm not lazy, but sometimes, you know, that paste wax takes too much time, man. But this still is a month. This will still help you, man, for real. Let me show y'all, man, how I know it works, because it still leaves a residue. So let me show y'all right quick. All right, we'll get a clean towel. Still leaves a residue. All right, and I'm gonna show y'all the residue right quick. Now I don't know if you guys see this in camera. See these marks right here. So if you wiping, so you do show y'all again. Hope y'all can see that. See the little dots and stuff, still little streak marks. That's a residue. It's the wax residue. So you gotta make sure you want to clean all that off, man. That's how I know this does have the ingredients of a regular wax. You know what I mean? Look at that, man. Mirror finish, man. Mirror finish. Mirror finish. And I think I got some residue up over here, man. Why it's always good go back over, man. Go look at it. Look at all that right there. I don't know if y'all can tell. You can tell from the angle. Stuff by the door right here. You know what I'm saying? Clean that off right quick. Still got some right here. I may need to change my towel. My towel's still kind of a little wettish, a little bit. I think close to getting damp. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at the mirror though, man. No buff. Ain't been buffed since I picked up this truck back in 21. No, 20. No, what year was it? December 2020, man. That was the last time this truck been buffed. But yeah, let me show y'all what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put it on camera too, man. And get these light scratches out today right here. This one, that one. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna show y'all I can do it at home. Something simple. You feel me? Also, I'm gonna show y'all this, so stay tuned. Show you how to clean off this dirty mat. Caked up with dirt and grime. That's the soap on there I got on there. So I'm gonna show you how to do that too, man. So let me get my materials and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all how to look at this mug. Clean, boy, all black, man. Black cars is dope, man. But you know, when that sun hit, man, if it's not really in your paint really in good shape, man, ain't gonna show it for real. Let me get y'all materials, man. I'm gonna show y'all how I buff this out. Alright, YouTube, we back. Simple. I'm gonna use the paste wax. I'm gonna spray that on the truck or on the little scratches I got right here. Y'all can see that on the camera. Yeah, right there, right here, and I see a little mark right here. So I'm gonna buff that out, man. So all y'all do is paste wax that lightly. Got my pad to wipe it with. Got my other buffer pad right here. It's a real fine one. It's not no real coarse one. You know what I'm saying? We ain't doing no wet sand, no bull crap like that. We ain't doing no real buff. So my power drill, man. Like I said, you don't need them buffers that them people be using, man. All you need is a power drill, the attachment, and you're good to go, man. And we're gonna make sure this is on drill, not a hammer. Cause like I said, I did use this to mount a TV up outside and in my house. So you like I say, you don't have to get the real buffer, man. As long as you got the attachments, man, got this, you fine, man. So we're gonna knock this out. I'm gonna set the video up. I'm gonna show you how I'm about to get it done. All right, man. Simple, man. Some wax on there. Spread it right here. Some wax on there. While I'm over here, I'm out looking at anything else for real. It look like that's something right here. Scratches right here. All right. Bam. Once that's done, see my clean towel in my pocket, man. So trust me, I'm not gonna use that blue towel that was on the ground. Look at that. See? I need to hit some more wax on that. It's gone right here. Oh, the light deep right there. So deep. Damn, dumbass dropped the top. Alright. See it lighten up some a little bit. You know what I mean? You see that going right here though. This got to lighten up a little bit. But these are kind of deep. So I won't be able to do too much of what I'm using right now. I have to use something a little bit more to get more into it. But most importantly, as long as you lighten it up, you should be good, man. Just to lighten it up so it won't be as visible, man. But yeah, it's your boy Young though, man. That's how I do this shit. Simple, easy, man. Anybody can do it, man. But yeah, let me show y'all how to do this mat, man, right quick. Get this mat looking A1 day one. See the coop. It's my little dog, a little sleep. Bam, let me show y'all this, man. That's all you need is this. Bam. Turn the water on. Alright. Water on. Turn that off, man. That's all I use this for. It's a brush, man. This is clean mats, man. Get all up in the cracks. Get all that soap and makes, man. Getting them real good. Make sure you go with the lines too. You got some straight lines, some diagonal lines. You can go with the lines. Your brush is getting in there. Turn this water back on. My luck, drop cameras, come on, fall off. Yeah, A1 day one, man. Clean. Little bit of brush, little bit of soap, little bit of water, man. You ain't gotta go nowhere special, man. Clean your own cars. But yeah, man. Super easy. Definitely lighten the scratch up though, which most importantly, that was I was aiming for. It's a little deep, so I ain't gonna get it all the way out, but I'm not a buffer, but this is what you can do though. By yourself at home. You know what I'm saying? Like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Young Rich 419, man. Hit the like button, man. More vids coming. Peace.
3 of them. Gone. Durango.
Big head ass nigga.
The realest ever made. Just stand on the edge of the Grand Canyon like, I just want to feel this up with money. Yeah. See my wrist on freeze, yeah. See my wrist on freeze, yeah. See my neck on freeze, yeah. See my neck on freeze, yeah. You ain't getting none of these, though. You ain't getting none of these, yeah. Pocket filled with G's, yeah. I ain't talking about Gucci, yeah. I ain't talking about Louis, yeah. I got